Just as you can test images on the RiteTag dashboard using our stock image or your own, you'll see that there are hashtags graded for exposure and interaction based on real-time analytics in Twitter, but then there are also hashtags suggested for Instagram. We're going to look at what you can do with your RiteTag browser extension for text as well as for images, and how it integrates with tools and social networks you use. You can get hashtags by highlighting text, right-click, and generate hashtags. Even more powerful is what it does from images. So I'll right-click on this photo, generate hashtags, and you see here they're quite relevant, and I would probably in this case select all and maybe just a few of them I wouldn't use. I would copy them and then I could paste them wherever I'm using this post. Here's a post I have set up with text and image in Twitter. I can click on the RiteTag hashtag generation button to get hashtags for the image as well as the text. Another thing I can do is highlight the text, right-click, generate hashtags, or take this photo, right-click, generate hashtags. I've got great hashtags here. If it's for Twitter, in this case, I would select all, deselect the Instagram hashtags, and then perhaps deselect several that I don't want, or just select several. Copy, paste, and then send the tweet. So that's in Twitter. In Facebook, the best hashtags are usually had from the photo, right-click, generate hashtags, and I have several choices here. Note that you can select as many as you like, hit compare to open a RiteTag hashtag comparison page where you have data points. Generally what you're looking for is high exposure and retweets versus relative unique tweets per hour. And you can save hashtags as a hashtag set, which you'll find in your RiteTag dashboard. You can modify these later. Again, look at the analytics based on real-time data, copy them, use them anywhere. You can also use RiteTag right inside Creator Studio from Facebook for business accounts in Instagram as well as Facebook pages. RiteTag's browser extension integrates with that. So I'll hit Create Post, Instagram feed, add my text, then add content. I also want to send this to our Facebook page, so I'll click here and I'll right-click on the photo to generate hashtags. I'll select all, and I want nearly all of these. I'll copy them, and I could paste them in what will be the caption, but since that'll be a long caption in Instagram, what I'd rather do is publish, and then right inside Instagram, click on the post and paste those hashtags as a comment, where they work just as well as in captions. RiteTag integrates with all social media publishing tools. So for example, in Hootsuite, again, you can get hashtags for your text or generate hashtags from your photo. In TweetDeck as well, right-click, generate hashtags, or highlight anywhere from 1 to 25 words of text. You don't want to highlight a whole page of text to generate hashtags. It's too much for RiteTag to deal with. In buffer as well, right click, generate hashtags, and there you have what you need and can attach to your post. RiteTag is really powerful, especially for photos. Let's just look at a couple here. These look really good. I would use nearly all of these except perhaps interior or home decoration. So I'd select all and just deselect a few, copy, and then use paste as a comment. If we try a couple others here, notice that they're different each time. So this is one of the powerful things about RiteTag. We're not using static data. We're looking at many elements of any photo and getting hashtags for each photo. So you're always going to get a different variety. Whatever site or tool you're using, you can also click on the RiteTag browser button and the camera icon to get hashtags for any photo you have stored in your computer. A RiteTag subscription also includes not only the browser extension, but also the mobile app. So if you look at the bottom of our site, you can get the apps and extensions for your computer and mobile devices. You can also get hashtag reports if you're running a campaign. Just see the sample report to see all the actionable insights you get, as well as exportable data for use in social CRM tools. Also, to learn what you can do for your Instagram business account, Instagram Account Coach is really powerful. It looks into each individual account that you order a report for. Suggests hashtags, the ones you haven't used but probably should. Helps you with how many hashtags to use. And even suggests which colors are working best with your specific audience. For research in our site, use the field at the top. Save hashtag sets. You'll find them in your RiteTag dashboard. Try the other tools for social media, post generation, and publishing. And we wish you every success in social media.